Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
In this part 2 of this beaded coral necklace, I will be showing you how to apply the clasp or hook and also how to do the dropping. If you have not watched the part 1, I will advise you do so and come back and watch this finishing part. The things needed to continue to do this necklace are size 8 round smooth coral beads, thread. You will need 2 star beads, clasps, chain to finish this work. Remember, in part 1 we picked 1 star bead, 2 coral beads. We repeat it 2 times to start the work before we continue picking 3. I have to do the same to the other end. Yeah, you see these 2 parts here. This is what we did. So I have already picked 2 already, so I have to do the last one now and at the same time apply my clap. So how do I do that? I will pick a star bead with both of my needle, 1 round bead, my clap, and 1 round bead. I will now enter the 2 round bead including my clap, skipping the star bead. When I pull my thread, this is the form we get. To continue, I will use one of my needle to go round to meet the other needle again, just like anti-clockwise, merry-go-round, like that. And when I get to where the other thread is, just like this, I will secure a knot, probably 2, to make my work firm. And this is what I will also do to the other side, applying the chain to extend the necklace. Now I will cut 1 thread out because I will be working now with only 1 needle. I would like to skip 7 lines before I will start my dropping. If you are doing yours, if you don't want to skip any line, you can as well do so. Then I will start the dropping with the 8th line. The same apply to the other end of the necklace. I will still skip 7 lines. To get to the 8th line, I will enter this first bead. I will not just go straight to the 7th line or the 8th line because the thread will be too visible. To hide the thread, I will have to come out of the star bead, enter the coral bead. I will zoom the video, just watch what I do, and it's very easy. Next, I will pick 21 round beads. I will skip, not enter the star, but I will skip the star bead and enter the next 3 coral upwards. When I pull my thread, this is the form we get. Yeah, so now my thread is coming out from here. I will enter the star, then enter the 3 coral, pull it tight, I'm going to be picking 24 beads. Like before, I will skip the star bead and enter the 3 coral bead. This is how you continue. You will pick 2 or 3. I will advise that you gauge your work by putting it in your neck or the persons that you are doing it for, so that you can really have the shape that you want on the necklace. If you are looking for a place to get this accessory or the beads or even the necklace, please contact our website meggybeads.com or email us on our Facebook or any of our social media platforms, where we make them available to you. When you get to the middle of your necklace, remember that is when you will start to reduce your bead. We started with 21, and remember we are still going to end up with 21. Don't make mistake with that. So that being said, I hope this video was helpful, and remember we still need to apply the chain. Don't miss that, and keep washing without skipping. necklace is finished. And let me just show you the slide again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, hey, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.